Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in and take a seat.
Thank you. I'm not feeling well today.
I see. Can you tell me what's wrong?
I've had a headache since last night.
Are you also feeling feverish?
Yes, I feel hot and weak.
Let me check your temperature.
Sure.
You have a mild fever? Any body pain?
Yes, my legs and back are aching.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat is dry and painful.
Are you coughing?
A little, especially in the morning.
Are you sneezing or have a runny nose?
No, not much.
How is your appetite?
I don't feel like eating anything.
Are you drinking enough water?
Not really. I forgot to drink often.
That may be causing weakness.
I also feel dizzy when I stand up.
Did you take any medicine at home?
Just one paracetamol, nothing else.
Did you feel better after that?
Only for some time.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't think so.
I'll write a prescription for you.
What medicine should I take?
One for fever, one for throat pain, and a vitamin tablet.
How many times a day should I take them?
Take them 3 times a day after food.
Can I eat spicy food?
Please avoid oily and spicy food.
Can I drink cold water?
Avoid cold water and ice cream.
What food is good for me now?
Soft food like soup, porridge, and fruits.
Should I take rest?
Yes, you must rest for at least 2 days.
I have office work. Can I go tomorrow?
Better to stay home and recover.
Okay, I'll inform my manager.
Also, take steam twice a day.
Can I take a bath?
Yes, but avoid cold water.
Should I come again tomorrow?
No need unless you feel worse.
How many days will it take to recover?
Around 3 to 5 days if you rest well.
Can I take these medicines with milk?
No, take them with warm water.
Will there be any side effects?
No, they are safe. Just follow the instructions.
Should I wear a mask at home?
Yes, if anyone else is around.
My children are also coughing.
Then they should also visit a doctor.
I will bring them tomorrow.
That's a good idea.
Thank you so much, doctor.
I'm glad to hear that.
I feel a little better after talking to you.
Yes, you can, but wear a mask.
Can I go alone to the medical shop?
Yes, just show this prescription at the pharmacy.
Can I drink tea in the evening?
Yes, but avoid too much tea.
Should I avoid screen time like phone or TV?
Yes, less screen time will help recovery.
Can I take fruits like banana or apple?
Yes, banana and apple are fine.
What time should I take the night tablet?
Around 8 or 9 p.m. is okay.
Should I set an alarm to take medicine on time?
Yes, setting an alarm is a good idea.
Can I go for a short walk inside the house?
A short walk is fine. Don't get tired.
Is there any danger if the fever increases?
Not danger, but come back if it rises high.
What should I do if I feel worse suddenly?
Call or visit the clinic immediately.
Can I contact you by phone if needed?
Yes, I'm available during working hours.
I'll keep my room warm and clean.
That's very good. Keep your room clean.
I'll drink warm water every hour.
Yes, and drink slowly every hour.
Should I gargle for throat pain?
Yes, warm salt water is good for gargling.
Can I use balm for headache?
Yes, you can use a mild balm.
I'll follow all your instructions carefully.
That's the right attitude.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you for watching. Here is today's important vocabulary from the doctor and patient conversation. Headache, pain in your head. Feverish, feeling hot like you have a fever. Temperature, how hot or cold your body is. Fever check. Mild, not strong, just a little. Aching, slow pain in your body. Throat, inside part of your neck where you swallow. Sore throat, pain or discomfort in your throat. Coughing, making a sound from your throat when sick. Sneezing, air suddenly coming out from your nose. Appetite, you're feeling to eat food, hunger. Dizzy, feeling like the room is turning or spinning. Paracetamol, common tablet for fever and pain. Prescription, doctor's paper for buying medicine. Instructions, how to take the medicine, when and how much. Pharmacy, shop where you buy medicines. Clinic, place where a doctor checks patients. Gargle, to clean your throat using water or medicine. Balm, cream used on your body for pain or cold. Thank you for watching today's conversation at the clinic. We hope you learned some useful English sentences and vocabulary. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone. Keep practicing English every day. And remember, small steps bring big results. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.